This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to process turkey tail mushrooms. First, ensure you have fresh, healthy specimens. Look for thin, fan-shaped mushrooms with clear, concentric color bands. Gently clean them by brushing off any visible dirt or debris. It is important not to wash them with water, as this can diminish their beneficial properties and make drying more challenging. A soft brush or dry cloth works perfectly for this initial cleaning step. Once cleaned, the next crucial step is drying. You can air dry them by spreading them on a screen in a well-ventilated room, which might take several days. Alternatively, a food dehydrator is highly effective. Set your dehydrator to a low temperature, approximately 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and dry until the mushrooms are completely brittle. This thorough drying is essential to prevent any mold from forming during storage, ensuring their longevity and potency. After your turkey tail mushrooms are thoroughly dry and brittle, it is time to prepare them for storage. Break the dried mushrooms into smaller, manageable pieces. Then, use a dedicated coffee grinder or a powerful high-speed blender to process these pieces into a fine powder. This powder form is ideal for various uses. Store the finished powder in an airtight container, keeping it in a cool, dark location, where it can maintain its quality for up to 1 year. Now that you have your turkey tail mushroom powder, there are many ways to incorporate it into your routine. A popular method is to make a tea by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder to hot water. You can also easily blend it into your morning smoothies, stir it into soups, or mix it into other favorite dishes. These mushrooms are widely recognized for their potential to support a healthy immune system, offering a natural boost to your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.